12th math student. In probability, today we will discuss about Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem? Let E1, E2 and so on En are the events such that EI intersection EJ is equal to phi, where I is not equal to j and I and j is equal to 1 to n number. Means here intersection phi means they are disjoint events, or you can say that mutually exclusive events. So E1 and also E1 union E2 union means their union of the events is equal to sample space. Yes. So mutually exclusive and exhaustive event. Exhaustive means their sample space is equal to yes. Okay, and probability of any event is greater than 0. From the figure, here A is any event of the sample space and A. So all the events E1, E2, E3 and En are connected to A, where A is here known events. Okay, then probability of happening of A means this is also known as total probability. So PE1 into PA by E1. A by E1 means when E1 happened, then probability of occurrence of plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus so on. Last event PEN into PA by EN. And this total is written as summation j is equal to 1 to n P EJ into PA by EJ means adding all the events is represented by summation. Summation means adding all the results. Here E1, E2, ET are and so on En are disjoint events. So by Bayes theorem, or it is also known as Bayes theorem. So simply you can say, so EI upon A means probability of occurrence of any particular event with respect to A. With respect to A, where A is known event. Remember here. So EI upon A means probability of occurrence of any particular events from E1 to En with respect to A is equal to PEI into PA upon EI whole PEI into PA upon EI whole upon summation of I is equal to 1 to n PI into PA by EI means adding all the events. So here is into. Okay, so now denominator is adding all total probability. Total means PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus so on PEN into PA by EN. So this is a total probability with respect to A. So denominator is simply that is NS and numerator is NE. So NE by NS. So here NE means probability of occurrence of a particular event with respect to the all the events means total. Okay. So this is the Bayes theorem. So again listen what is Bayes theorem. If there are many events E1 to En and one more event A connected to E1, E2, E3 and En, then probability of occurrence of a particular event that is you can take as E1 particular event to PE1 by A. PE1 by A means probability of occurrence of E1 with respect to A is equal to PE1 into PA by E1 upon total. Total means PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2 plus so on. So this is known as Bayes theorem. From example clearly you can understand. To see one question from exercise 13.3 See question number 2. A bag contains 4 red and 4 black balls, and second bag contains 2 red and 2 black balls. One of the 2 bags is selected at random and a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. So find the probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag. So here first you have to consider the events. So event depend upon the according to the statement here there are 2 bags. When you draw ball from first bag, so you can take as event E1 drawing a ball from first bag. Second event E2 drawing ball from second bag. So only there are 2 events here. So you will take only 2 events. E1 when you draw the ball from first bag, E2 selecting the ball red color ball from second bag. So PE1 is equal to PE2 1 by 2. So selecting bag E1 selecting bag. When you select first bag event E1. When you select second bag event E2. So either E1 or E2. So means you can select either first bag or second bag. The probability of selecting bags will be same 1 by 2 PE1 or 50-50%. So first you have to select the bag, then draw the ball. Okay. So here E1 event for first bag, E2 for selecting second bag. And A is known event. Why? Because in question it is given drawn ball is of red color. So you can take here A event for red color ball, and red color ball may be from first or maybe from second bag. So PA by E1 means when first bag is selected, denominator A by E1. E1 means selected first bag and drawing red color ball from first bag. The A is event for red color ball, and when you draw the red color ball from first bag, so there are 4 red color and total is 8, then 4 by 8 that is 1 by 2. Now PA by E2 when second bag is selected and drawing red color ball from second bag means PA by E2. E2 means red second bag is selected, draw the red color ball from second bag. So PA by E2 is there are 2 red color in second bag and total is 8. So 2 by 8 that is 1 by 4. So first you have to find here A by E1 and A by E2 means selected bag, then draw the red color ball. Then by Bayes theorem, here question is probability that the ball is drawn from the first bag, but you need that ball should be from first bag. First bag means E1 event. So PE1 by A means occurrence of E1 event. So PE1 by A means color of the drawn ball is red and it should be from first bag. So for first bag event is E1. So PE1 by A is PE1 into PA by E1 upon PE1 into PA by E1 plus PE2 into PA by E2, adding total probability. So PE1 PA by E1 putting the values in numerator and denominator and simplify. After simplify you get 2 by 3. Okay.